Hello, this is audio video journal number 3 for the requirement of week 6 assignment. We were asked to complete a force field analysis and then from that analysis identify a collaboration strategy for each restraining force and then use this journal to explain the results of our analysis and how we hope to accomplish a collaboration strategy. So I thought this was a perfect opportunity to use a real life example within my current organization where I am working collaboratively with human resources and risk management to enhance a San Bernardino leadership onboarding and development program. So we currently have this program in place. It's Fundamentals of Supervision and Fundamentals of Management, but it was a great opportunity to use the resource A in creating your own game plan, as well as the force field analysis to really look at this project and really test it against the theory of the concepts that we're learning. So this new approach to this leadership onboarding program would allow for each cohort from supervisor, management, and executive to have a specific program meant to meet the needs essential to those roles. Originally, we only had supervisors and managers and really forgot about the executive, and this game plan allowed me to really kind of come back and take a better focus on who needs to be involved as stakeholders and really why are we trying to accomplish this. And so I thought it was important to point out that it's about the people that we're trying to develop, sharing the policies as well as the procedures, and it's an ongoing concept. And so that learning concept never ends. And bringing in the right elements with the right leadership. So looking at advisory boards, looking at our CEO, looking at our chief operating officer, as well as our human resources director and other leadership to kind of guide some of this development and curriculum. So meeting with them on a regular basis. So looking at the skill and experience matrix for the collaborative groups was really able to align who were those subject matter experts that we needed to work with, who had the most technical skills that we needed to really draw from, project management. And it was really nice to do that because then we were able to really take a multimodal approach to ensure that the training fits at all levels. And so really recognizing there's work that needs to be done even before the training starts. Yes, we can do online work where they can have information readily available to them, but we also need that in-person engagement. And so really looking at those analysis and those skills and the expertise and looking at those areas of who fits them best and who can best align. And then taking all of this and really looking for how we could approach this. How do we build that foundation of bringing the participants together? How do we set those expectations on what that entails? And then how do we create a mentorship from the executive level to the manager level to the supervisory level where everybody's developing and growing, but in real life applicable things that can be applied real time. And so it was nice to take all of this information that I was currently trying to put into place, including really looking at how to box this up in a pretty kind of package that can be used and referred to at later dates. Because as new leaders, we really don't draw on all that information we need up front. We really have to apply it at different levels and at different times. And so that's where those restraining forces really came in and saw that we really need that toolkit to kind of help reinforce that learning ongoing and not just during those sessions. And then lastly, being able to provide the resources and the theories and the concepts that are really applicable to developing as a leader. And then lastly, kind of testing it against the 6 key collaboration factors and seeing where we land. And it all landed in the score of 4 to 5. And so I think our restraining forces were really addressed and met in a way that this project can truly be successful. Thank you for your time.